We just had a meeting with the Honorary Consul of Jamaica, together with a delegation of the Jamaican community in Aruba. It was to express first in person, because we have been in contact during all these days, but in person, our sense of solidarity with the Jamaican community. At the same time, also to express Aruba's interest to support Jamaica in this very difficult moment. We have seen the reports on the devastation that the hurricane has caused, and we feel deeply with Jamaica, and we would like to be helpful to the Jamaican community and the people of Jamaica. So although Aruba is a small island, but we have shown in the past, Mr. Taylor, that the Aruba people will step up to be helpful. We've seen that with the earthquake in Haiti. We've seen that with the hurricane also in St. Martin. The people of Aruba respond also to an appeal to be supportive and to be in solidarity with countries and communities, especially island communities that we can identify with, that pass through this type of suffering. So today we agreed that Monday we will be meeting with the Red Cross together with the Honorary Consul and the delegation of Jamaica and Aruba to see how we can structure the support that the Aruban people can give to Jamaica. From here, our sense of solidarity with all the people living in Jamaica at this moment, passing through this very, very difficult time. Also our sense of solidarity with the community in Aruba, and also our prayers for all the families that have suffered lost ones, and hope that together by this sense of sharing, that everyone who needs to have a sense that they are not alone will feel also our presence in prayer, and also our sense of solidarity with the Jamaican community.
Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister. Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister. The Jamaican community in Aruba and the Jamaican government appreciate the effort that Aruba is making. We have been in touch with them, and they have expressed support for what you're doing, and we are planning to make sure that Aruba's make an impression and an imprint on the recovery efforts in Jamaica. We thank you so much for the care and understanding and the empathy from the Aruban people that we have seen expressed. Thank you so much.
No, thank you, Mr. Taylor. From the corners of every site in Aruba, I feel also the sense of solidarity. So let's hope that very soon the Aruba people will get an opportunity to contribute to be helpful to the Jamaican community, and with that also share the island's love for each other, and make it also very visible how we can translate this caring into a very strong support for the difficult times that the Jamaican community is going through.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.